Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. For this project, I'm going to teach you how to chain. So I already have a project done. I'm going to teach you with this. So instead of working into the actual stitches of the project, what you're going to do is grab your yarn, pull it right through. Grab from under and yarn through the loop. This is the second chain, and this is the third chain.